US companies wanting to send employees to work in Canada on work permits have multiple options. Among those options would be applying under the North America Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA, now known as CUSMA, or applying under the Intra-Company Transferee Program, ICT, or applying for an LMIA supported work permit, a labor market impact assessment supported work permit. Hi there, welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis. I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and we help businesses bring foreign workers to Canada without the legal hassle. If you are a US employer and you currently have an operation inside Canada, there will be multiple options available to you to help you bring your non-Canadian workers to work inside Canada. Now, this applies to workers who are either US residents or US citizens or green card holders, or foreign workers, non-US workers who are currently lawfully employed inside the US. You may be able to bring either of those employees to Canada to work under one of the different work permit options. For your US citizen employees, those employees will have the added option of being able to apply under the North America Free Trade Agreement, or CUSMA as it is currently called, Canada, US, Mexico Agreement. There are allowances under this agreement that may allow you, the US employer, to send your US citizen employee to work in Canada either under the intra-company transferee option, which is a subsection of the NAFTA program, or as a NAFTA professional if the job type that the person is occupies and the role in Canada that you're wanting them to come to fill, if that role is one of the listed job categories under the NAFTA professional program. If that is the case, then that US citizen or Mexican citizen, in fact, may be able, or rather you may be able to transfer that US or Mexican citizen to Canada to work under the NAFTA professional program. If their role is not among the prescribed roles under the NAFTA professional program, you may still have the option of sending them under the NAFTA ICT program, provided they meet the requirements there. All right. Now, if the employee is a non-US citizen or a non-Mexican citizen, is not a citizen of Mexico, then you have the option of applying under the ICT, provided the employee meets the basic ICT requirements, or you have the option of applying for what's called a labor market impact assessment. In this instance, your Canadian entity, which in essence would be the employer of the foreign workers coming here, that entity would first need to get the go-ahead from the Canadian authorities to hire these non-Canadian applicants. All right, and that go-ahead is known as an LMIA, a labor market impact assessment. And so your Canadian entity would first have to get a positive LMIA. And once they get that LMIA, it would then be used to support the work permit application of the employees you are wanting to send from the US to Canada. All right. So to summarize, there are many options available to US employees. The three perhaps easiest options are going to be, firstly, applying under the CUSMA or NAFTA if the employee is a US citizen or Mexican national, or if that's not the case, then applying under the regular ICT program, provided that the employee and your Canadian related entity, your Canadian operation, meets the required eligibility requirements for ICT. And thirdly, the third option would be for your Canadian operation to first apply for and receive an LMIA for each of the employees, and then use that LMIA to support the work permit application. But in a nutshell, those are going to be the options available to a US company wanting to transfer employees to Canada. I hope you found value from this video. As always, remember to like our videos so others may see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so that you'll receive more notifications when we publish videos. And check us out on our channel, our website rather, at go.gooselaw.com. Thanks. See you again.